How to add multiple account on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to add multiple account on Facebook. In order to add multiple account on Facebook, first thing first, update your application, log in into your Facebook account. So first of all, you need to go ahead and log out of the current account. So for that, tap the try bar icon, scroll down right to the bottom, click the logout button and tap on yes continue in order to log out of your account. So once you tap on the logout button, you'll be logged out of your account. So here you can see I have multiple accounts logged into this particular device. So if you want to add another account, then tap on login into another account, enter in the credential, that is the mobile number and email address and the password. Once you're done entering the information, tap the login button. As soon as you do that, if the information seems to be valid enough, then you've successfully added multiple accounts to your Facebook. So in this way you can add multiple accounts on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.